Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is your fearless leader, Jason Fields, and I just told you all that I sent you all a inbox regarding Icoin and some of the things that I am doing. And I get asked to evaluate and look at, hundreds of businesses, concepts, and I looked at this and thought, you know what, this is a great one for me to become a member of, teach, as well as expand and get into. You all know I'm a serial entrepreneur where I truly believe we ought to have more than just one stream of income coming to us. Hence, me and Tasha have stocks, investments. We own real estate. We're looking at making some more purchases. And now, because of, again, the concept of having more streams of revenue coming to you, I looked at this business and thought, you know what, this is good. I love the educational aspect of it. I love the fact that in Icoin, one of the things that they'll recommend that you use, one of the exchanges is Poloniex, and basically it's an exchange for cryptocurrency. So just to show you all this, I like this site. It's very simple. And actually, buying and trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is not that complicated at all. I really like this site because it's simple. You can understand it. And if you look here, here are the markets. As I told you guys before, there are over 1,400 types of cryptocurrencies. The top three are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And if you look at this bar here, this will convert all of these into Bitcoin prices. So if you look here, what I like to do, you really won't use these. You'll more or less go to the US dollar. And so if you look, one Bitcoin is worth 11,550. It just went up $50 because in the process of getting ready to make this video, it was at 11,500. Litecoin is at 101. I like Litecoin because it's a little bit more stable. It doesn't fluctuate. However, when you look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, these typically go up, go down around the same time. And so again, these major three, Ethereum, again, one share of Ethereum is 461. So unless you all have, look, as we were just talking, it went up 19 more dollars. Unless you were talking about coming to the table with $11,570, you could buy one share of Bitcoin. But since most of us don't have that, you can buy fractional shares of Bitcoin. And I advise all of you, I don't want to say advise, but I would suggest that you all look at, again, diversifying your portfolio. Again, I'm not going to make investment recommendations. These are things for you to consider given the kind of investor you are. Again, you have to look. Bitcoin is very volatile. Again, 11,500. Now it's at 11,570. And this price will go up and down. If you look at Litecoin, which again, I plan on buying shares, 101 bucks. So this is just to show you the suggested website or suggested exchange that Icoin suggests you use. I like it. I looked at it. Of course, you all know that I don't recommend people do things or suggest things that I'm not doing personally. Again, I am different. You don't necessarily have to do what I do, but you have to look in what's comfortable for you. So looking at Litecoin, I'm looking at this, and this is a one-day chart here. And I like this. And if you were in my class, I would have told you we look to get in where what? When the price is down, we look to buy. When the price is high, we look to sell. So for those of you who don't know, these green bars mean the price is going up. The red bar means this price is going down. Would I get into Litecoin right now? Yes, because again, I can afford one share. I can afford maybe two shares. Actually, I can afford a few shares. But the point is, it's affordable, but look at where it's at. I would get into this because again, the price is down right now. Now, one of these days we'll show you, I'll show this to you in class, the stop and limit order. And just to keep everything simple, this stop order means basically where you want to get out, where you want to get out at. So Litecoin is at 101, 101. 102. That 101 may be without commission for the exchange. But so let's say Litecoin goes up to 114. And I would put 114 here. And that stop would mean at 114, I want to get out. I want to sell it. That's what that means. That limit, the limit would be the reverse. So, and the limit is for me to protect myself. So at 101, let's say it goes down to what am I willing to potentially lose? Let's say it goes down to 90, $10, $12. Um, then I would enter 90 here, and if I would sell it at 90, meaning I try to cut my losses. Remember, the goal and trick of investing is not how much money you can make, but how much money you can keep. So don't go into it with the idea or concept that I want to make a whole bunch of money. No, your real concept is, the real idea is not to lose money. That being said, we're going to do some classes. I'm going to do a class on this, and I'm only going to show this to you guys that I inboxed because I really want people who are serious about this stuff, and I'm debating on whether my class I will charge versus doing the class if you want to become a team member and follow me and do this stuff together. You get an expert at this kind of stuff, and I think it's always better to join people who you know have some credibility about this stuff. So that being said, you all can reach me at www.thefinancialpromise.com. Jason Fields. You'll see the website. You got my phone number. And if you guys need me, I'll be talking to you soon. Peace.